Hello guys, welcome to Dance IT Network. So now we're able to configure the local link IP version 6 address on this router. It's time for us now to configure the global unicast routing on this network so that this PC can communicate to each other, okay, from um, this network going to the another network, okay. So let me move this network design here because I'll bring a notepad so that you can see. Let me just delete this first. All right, so we will be needing to create an IP version 6 address on this gigabit 0/1 and also on this gigabit 0/0. Okay, basically, the IP version 6 address is a 128 bits, okay, and in a form of hexadecimal, right? And normally, the IP version 6 address, it starts in 2001 and then followed by colon and then DB8. And this IP version 6 address will be provided um, by your internet service provider. Okay, this this is what we call the internet registry prefix. Okay, which is from the your ISP, and then followed by the your ISP will then assign a code in here that will identify your company, right? They can put any codes that they want. They can put like this, okay? BEFF, all right? As long as the numbers and characters are in the range of 0 to 9 and A to F. So for this tutorial, we will be using just A. Well, just to make it simple, okay, we'll put it A. And this portion, okay, this is the internet registry prefix, all right? And then on the next portion, we need to create a subnet. Let's say this will be subnet A, okay? And then followed by the double colon, the number one. This number one, this represent that this is the host, okay? And this is already a valid IP version 6 address, okay? And this is already on a compressed format. And if we will write this IP version 6 address into a full format, okay, it should be like this. I'll write it down, copy it, and I'll paste it here. And I'll include 0 in here. Also include 0, okay? And then on this column, uh, type here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a long IP address. It's 128 bits. All right. All right. And IP version 6 address is, again, it's a 128 bits. Okay. And it composed of a 8 hexstats. All right. So this is a 1 hexstats. And then this is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And it should be, I added 0 in here because this is the shortcut, okay? Instead of including the 0 on the compressed format, okay, 0 is not visible, okay? But in the full format, it should be visible, okay? And also in here, I added 3, 0, okay? And this double colon, this represent that the um, numbers, okay, all of them are zeros. Okay, so instead of you'll type all of the 0 in here, you will just type double colon. Well, this is the shortcut. Okay, all right. So again, this is a 128 bits, okay, hexadecimal form, and it composed of 8 hexstats. All right, and this is a slash 64. All right, it's a slash 64. Meaning of the slash 64 is it identifies that the network ID on this on this IP version 6 address is on the 64-bit. So this is a 128-bit, all right? The network ID is this portion, so this is 64-bit, all right? This is a 64-bit for the network ID and another 64-bit on the host ID. So all in all, they are in a total of 128 bits. Okay. Again, slash 64, it identifies that the network ID is on the 64 bit. Okay. All right. And let's create another IP version 6 address. Okay. So that we can assign it on the other port, which is the gigabit 0/0. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay. Then I'll paste it here. And this time, we will just change this A to letter B so that it would be on the another network. So this will be for the network A, and this is for the network B. Okay, let me remove this, and let me copy this network A, and let me paste it here so that you know. Okay, put a label. Okay, and the network B, I'll put it on the other side. Okay, there you go, right? And then let me bring this to the center. Okay, so now it's time for us to assign the IP version 6 address on each interface ports. Okay, let's go first on this gigabit 0/1. I'll open up the router and I'll hit enter to get started. I'll type enable to go to the privilege mode, and then I'll type CompT to go to the global config mode, and then I'll go to the interface gigabit 0/1, and then I'll give it an IB address, which is IPv6, and then address. Okay, and then it's 2001 colon BB8 colon AAAA. Okay, let me spread this so that you will see, and then colon, and then subnet A, right, and then double colon 1, right, and then I need to include the /64 /64. Okay, all right, and then let's go on to the next port, which is the gigabit 0/0. Okay, I'll put I'll use the same command. I will just change this A to letter B. Okay, all right, and it's good to go. All right, so I don't need to type no shutdown because the interface are already on. Okay, as you see. But if in case that the ports are in red and it's not on, then you need to type no shutdown. Okay, and let me save the configuration. All right, and then now let's configure the IPv6 address on the PCs. Okay, let's go on this PC first. I'll open it. I'll open the IP configuration, and then, well, we do have two options. We can configure the IP version 6 address on this PC automatically or static. But on this tutorial, we will be configuring the IPv6 address static manually. Okay, and then to put the IP version 6 address, I need to copy the network ID. Okay, well, this PC is connected to the network B. Okay, so I need to copy the network ID. All right, so let me do that. I'll go here. I will just copy the network ID. Don't include the host. Okay, just the network ID. Okay, all right. I'll paste it here, and then I'll put another column, and then I need to input the host ID, which is the host ID on this PC. Okay, so this is the host ID. All right. Okay. Well, I did not include the FE80 because the FE80, this stands for that this is a link local, and um, it will not gonna work if you will include this FE80 though. Okay, because why? This is already a 128 bit. Okay, so it composed of 8 hexstats, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Okay, I hope you guys can follow. All right, and this is a slash 64. Okay, and the default gateway, it should be the FE80 colon 1. All right, so it is not the IP address which is in here showed um, the colon 1, the 2001 DB8. It is not this IP address. Okay, well, in the IP version 4 is um, you will assign the IP address that you assign on that port. That should be the gateway. But in IP version 6 is the gateway that you need to assign should be the local link address. Okay, and I'll put it here: FE80 colon 0. I'll close this, and let's configure the same on the next PC. So this is on the network A. Okay, let me copy first the network ID. Again, just the network ID. Don't include the host. Okay, I'll go to the IP configuration again. I'll paste this. I'll add another column, and let me copy the host ID. Okay, and I'll put here 64 because it's slash 64. Default gateway FE80 colon 1. Okay, and on the next PC, let's do the same thing. Um, let me copy again the network ID. Okay, or this time let's type it manually. Okay, so that you'll see it's 2001 colon DB8. Okay, then colon AAAA, then colon, since this is on the network A, right? So should be a subnet A, and then colon, and then we need to copy this. This is the host ID. Okay, and I'm just gonna paste it here. Set. I'll put here slash 64, and then the default gateway is FE80 colon 1. Okay, all right. So now let's try to ping from this PC to this PC. Okay, I'll open this PC because I need to copy the IP version 6 address for us to ping. Copy this, and I'll close this one. I'll open this PC, go to the command prompt, and then I'll type here ping, and I'll paste the IP version 6 address, and now it's working, right? And let's try on the other PC. Let's try this one. I'll copy the IP address, okay? And I'll go back again to this PC, command prompt, and then I'll type ping space the address, and boom, it's working. Okay, so that's it. That's all about basic IP version 6 addressing.